Are you looking to supercharge your leadership? Well, if you are, look no further. In today's episode, we're going to unpack the Clifton Strengths 34, and we're starting right now. Hey everybody, my name is Gordon and welcome to another episode. If this is your first time here and you're looking to learn more about Clifton Strengths, leading a strengths-based life, or anything else related to leadership, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as the bell notification so you don't miss any cool updates. Leading is hard, but when you have the right tools and the right resources available to you, you can do great things. So in today's episode, we're going to talk about the Clifton Strengths 34, the assessment. We're going to do kind of an overview and a bit of a review about what it is and what it's all about. We're going to take that information and we're going to help you supercharge your leadership, your career, and all the things that you want to do to be your best self. So we're going to jump right in. But before we jump in, let me know in the comments below. I'm going to be starting a new series next week where we're going to explore in detail every single one of the Clifton Strengths 34, the 34 themes. So tell me, what of your 34 themes are you most excited about learning about? Share that with me in the comments below, and we're going to jump right in. So when it comes to the Clifton Strengths 34, this is all about what you are great at. What is your best? What are your natural gifts and natural talents? And if you've seen any of the episodes on this channel, you know that we talk a lot about Clifton Strengths, a lot about focusing on what you do well. So as we talk about the assessment, we really want to open your eyes up to how important and how impactful it can be for you. So let's start with understanding how this assessment is set up. You're going to do it online. You're going to go to an online portal, and when you go to that online portal, it's going to ask you a series of questions, and you're going to answer those questions in the most natural and the most honest occurring way to you. As the questions pop up, answer them to the best of your ability. At the end of the assessment, it's going to give you your Clifton Strengths 34 in ranked order. Once you have those 34, understand that those 34 are divided and separated into 4 distinct domains. Those domains are the executing domain, the relationship building domain, the strategic thinking domain, and the influencing domain. By organizing the 34 talent themes into 4 distinct domains, it helps people to understand what are their natural leanings. Do they naturally lean and have talents and skills in the relationship building domain or in the influencing domain? But knowing that gives you power to understand how you best present yourself to the world, but also how others, once you know what their themes and what their strengths are, how they approach the world. This is the fastest way to supercharge your ability to lead better, be a better teammate, enter an organization and onboard well, be able to make transitions in your career, be able to be a better colleague. All of those things can come from the ability that we leverage our strengths and we focus on those things first. So the assessment is the key. Once we understand what those 4 domains are, and once we understand how our 34 kind of map into those domains, then the supercharging of this is to understand that it's a lifelong journey of exploring, developing, enhancing, and growing in those strengths that are your most natural. So when you get into the 34 and when you understand, focus on your top 5 first. When you understand what those top 5 are, then you can begin to put concrete actions and concrete plans in the place to show the world and yourself how you show up, how you're at your best, how you execute better, how you develop, how you lead, how you support, how you mentor, and how you coach. All those things emerge from understanding that. So it starts with understanding how the assessment is done, then understanding how it's constructed, and then individualizing it using those top 5, the resources and reports that come with the assessment that give you a roadmap, an action plan, and a series of steps that you can follow that will enable you to open yourself up to leading better, to getting that next job that you're looking for, to get that next promotion, to get that next opportunity to kill it on that next project that's in front of you. This is the power of strengths. So if you've spent any time on this channel, you know that we have a commitment to strengths-based development and to Clifton Strengths and to understanding and leading with our strengths. And it's personal for me. It's personal because strengths have played such a pivotal role in my growth and development. It's allowed me to become a better version of myself. So be on the lookout for our series that's going to start next week on the Clifton Strengths 34, each individual one, starting with Achiever. We're starting that next week, and it's going to be a great experience to take you through, showing you the ins and outs of every one of these 34 talent themes. So if you like this episode, give us a thumbs up, like the video, share it with a friend, leave us a comment. And if you want more information about Clifton Strengths, coaching, or resources, don't forget to check the description below for more information. It's always a privilege and a pleasure to serve this community. We look forward to continuing to serve you with strengths-based leadership content, leadership development content. We want everybody to operate at their highest level. And so until next time, thank you so much, and be well, everyone.